Hey, I'm going to show you how to remove your Pro Lashes using the Breakdown Remover. Okay, so we need to apply like a solid coat on top of our lashes of the remover, and you're just going to brush it on like so. All right, then you're going to let it sit for like a couple seconds. And then you should be able to start removing. So how you remove is you grab from the bases and they come right off. So pull your lashes up, grab the bases, and they should slide right off with the remover. So you're gonna have some adhesive left on your lashes. So you're gonna take that breakdown remover and just massage it into your lashes, and it should just shed right off. Now that I've taken off all of my Pro Lash extensions and the adhesive, I can cleanse them and put a new set on. You want to make sure you double, triple cleanse, whatever you need to do to get all of the remover off, because if you have any remover left, it'll interfere with the bond of your new set.